Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Have you checked out the Runlinc Online Course? If not, you better be quick, as Runlinc is offering a special price as low as $60 to help you learn from home and fight COVID-19. This price includes the full package of 46 step-to-step online lessons and a free Runlinc Inventors kit. As you can see, the price for the kit alone is much higher than this package. Grasp this chance and grab a Runlinc kit. The price will go up when the demand increases. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're interested in STEM AI and IoT. See you next time.